Howdy, what's up? And it's been a while since I made an update on this car, so a lot's happened since I did like my walk around video or whatever. So I figured I'd just, keep this channel going a little bit and make an update video about it. So as you can see, no engine in the car. I had to pull it out. And the reason I pulled it out is because of this. These are the compression rings for cylinder 1, and you'll notice that they're in 4 pieces. They should be 2 rings. So yeah, you can kind of understand that that's a problem. Here's the piston from that cylinder. You can see some pretty gnarly scoring on the skirt, especially this side. It's pretty rough. Like, you can feel that. But the cylinder walls on that one, really bad. You can kind of see all that scoring there. There's kind of a lip at the bottom of the wall there. So you can see how much material is missing from where that scoring is. So, I mean, it just looks like scoring, but if you put your fingers on it, you can actually feel that there's a lot of material missing here. Like, it's pretty bad. There's some scoring on both sides, but that one side is worse. This side's not as bad. The cylinder has a little bit of scoring on it, but you can't feel any of it. These two are okay. I mean, obviously the block is toasted. It needs to be rebored. So that bore's gonna have to be measured, so it'll eventually get oversized pistons. What I'm thinking about doing is just holding onto this block since it needs oversized pistons, and I'll eventually get this bored out to 2.3 liters instead of 2.2 and put forged internals in it and boost it, because that's what I eventually want to do. I'm gonna get a 3SGT head, put it on this block, make some pretty good power. But for now, I don't have that much money, and I just want to get this car running again. So I think I'm gonna get a new block and new pistons and put that stuff together, and then hold on to this for a later project. But also, the automatic transmission died. I was taking it to get the car inspected, and I was on the freeway, and then all of a sudden, drive was neutral. That was fun. But I already have a manual swap that's been waiting for a while, so now it has to happen. I wasn't planning on doing that this soon, but now it's happening. So yeah, that's the new daily. Thank God I got this car. I got this car, and I was planning on flipping it, and then this car died. But I'm gonna put a new engine in it. I'm gonna make it look nice. It'll run nice. I cleaned up the engine bay a little bit. This steering rack's kind of fucked up, so I've got a new one. I've got an ES300 steering rack that's gonna go in. I've also got a couple of nice goodies, like here in this box I've got an aluminum radiator, so none of the plastic tank bullshit that always breaks. Yeah. So I've reached official project car status. It's been sitting for about a month. Hopefully not much longer. I want to get this thing back on the road because I miss it. But yeah. So yeah, there's an update on the Camry. It'll have an engine in it again. It'll have a 5-speed in it, and we're gonna keep going. So hopefully I remember to make some more videos in the process of this, because I'd like to do that, but I tend to just do things and not record it, so whatever, I'll try to remember.